Hey, it's Jill from the Youth Work Service. So today for the Really Wild Challenge we are going to make a little butterfly feeder. Okay, so there's different ways of doing these. You can do them in the same sort of idea as this, using sugar and water. Just have a little plain idea. This is one using fruit and flowers. So the fruit I'm using is little orange segments. I've got some bluebells. Okay, and then I've got some little pink flowers that were falling off a tree in my own garden. So to make one of these feeders, what we need is a plastic bowl to start, and I'm just going to put you down there so we can see what we're doing. So the first thing we're going to do, if you're making one of these little feeding stations and you're using sugar and water, then obviously don't put the holes in because then that will fall out. But for the purpose of this one, because it's sort of nectar and sugar rich foods, we're going to put little holes around the bottom, okay? So for this I'm using a skewer, and I've just pushed through to make these little holes, okay? Now, if you feel that you need some help, then please ask a responsible adult. You can use scissors, a little craft knife, various things, but please ask before you use. Okay, so I'm sort of reassured that one. The other thing I did, so we do round the top, push in through one section, turn it so it's approximately across the way, and we're going to push through another section. We're going to do the same at this side, and approximately halfway across again, we're going to push it through again. Now please keep your hands safe away from the sharp objects, because again we're trying to keep people away from NHS A&E rooms. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is the first one that I made. I did decorate with beads and things, but I will leave your creative decoration all at yourselves, because I'm pretty sure you've all got some fantastic ideas that you could be doing. And I'm just going to thread my string through the first hole, okay, which I'm then going to throw like that and tie a nice secure knot. Okay, that came off. Then I'm going to go to the other side, and again push it through, and then another nice secure knot. Okay, so making these is a great way of getting butterflies and bees into your garden so that you can get nice up and close with them, and hopefully if they're nice and settled they won't fly away. Okay, so that's us got one side, but just so that we can secure it. You don't have to do it 4 ways, I just think it looks quite pretty. So I'm just going to take that bit through there. I'm going to go through here, back through this side, and again we want to make our nice little knots to secure our pieces of string. And again this side. So if you are taking part in all these challenges, the good thing is you can qualify for a John Muir award, and if you're interested in that, then please get in touch with us and we will get you out one of our John Muir booklets. Okay, so that is us got a little hanging plant. Okay, so then all I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my segments of fruit and some flowers, some more fruit, another wee flower, there, oh there's my bluebells gone, pop that one in there, and there. It doesn't matter how they go in, and again you can use butterflies like things like strawberries, they like banana, especially if it's been frozen and then crushed up. Who would have thought it? Okay, so then I'll just show you the inside. And just to finish this off, again, you don't need to do this, but it was just something that I had lying about. It's a nice little butterfly. So I'm just going to clip that there. And maybe, you never know, the butterflies might just think it's one of their friends and come and speak to it. So that is us again, got another little butterfly feeding tray. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial, and I hope to see you all again soon. Goodbye!